Hi guys, a couple of you have had a few questions about how to complete the worksheet and the discussion board. So I'm just going to walk you through the directions on how to complete the worksheet. So if you open the PDF of the worksheet, you'll notice that all it asks you to do is to circle the options that you think apply to you. So once you've left high school or left college, what are you thinking in terms of housing? Are you going to live at home with mom and dad? Are you have some other plan that doesn't require a particular housing, like the military or something like that? Are you thinking in efficiency, a one bedroom, whatever? So you would circle that number. And again, you're not turning this into me, so you can even just write this down on a sheet of paper and that will be fine. What kind of utilities, what kind of food, so on and so forth. Go throughout this section. What kind of entertainment do you think you're going to want? Other things like, will you have pets? Do you want to go on vacation? Keep circling these. And then once you get to the end, total up your points. So let's say you get the number 40. You will then go to the salary range section. And if I have the number 40, it says that I need to make between $51,000 and $60,000 a year. And it gave some ideas of jobs that would have that salary. Now, at that point, all you have to do is go into the assignment, into the discussion board, tell me what your number was, what your salary was, and if that's a reasonable salary for the job that you researched on Wednesday on our first FID day. So again, you don't have to say if you're interested in one of these jobs. You just have to say if the salary that you ended up with here is a reasonable salary for the job you researched on Wednesday. So I can leave the worksheet from there, and I can actually go in and add a class comment. So I can say, I got the number 40. That's 41 to 50,000 a year. That is a reasonable salary for a teacher. Okay, and that's literally all you have to do. Click the arrow, and I just posted to the class comments. Once you've posted, you'll be able to see other student answers as well. Don't forget to email me if you have any questions.